Record it. Ready? Wait. Come on. Come on, we need to hit it. Ready?
Wow, that was a good shot.
Good shot. Come on, wind up.
Oh my goodness. Run, run, go chase the bases.
Go, go,
First
go,
base,
go.
second base, third base.
Home
All
Now clap
right.
your hands and stomp your feet. Come on. Home run.
Wow.
Let's go. Show them your hit.
Wow.
You hit it out the park, Jesse. I can't even find the ball. Foul tip.
You batting?
Home
Wow.
run.
You hit it so hard.
Look at the little lefty slugger. You see my little lefty slugger?
Wow, that was a good one.
Not even 2 years old. Only 22 months. Right, Papa?
Oh my gosh, that was a good one. Wow, you did so good,
Come
baby.
on, let's line up over here. Come on, Papa. Come on. Wait, man, you're gonna roof
Jeez.
it. Home run.
You're just swinging it. Run, 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 run.
Hit it to Dad now. Come on. Good boy.
Oh my goodness, he just be flinging it.
Swing! 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 Ready? Ready? Hit it! Oh,
Not the whole
wow.
thing. Oh my gosh. You're doing so good, baby. You're doing so good. Swing, swing. Yay!
You want to try with this bat? You want to use this bat? Come on. Let's try this one.
Oh!
Off the ball. Alright.
That's the bat actually really came with. Wow, look at the way he's swinging it. Wait, who taught you to swing like that? There, put it back up. Whoa!
That's good enough. Peace out, y'all.
Say bye.
Say bye.
Jeez, say bye. You want to hit the ball? Oh my goodness.
Hi, man. This kid's chasing me around.
No, not your head. Don't hit your head.
Hey, you got to get strong.
Wow.
Surprised he hasn't roofed it yet.
I know.
He has that level swing. That's why he doesn't swing uppercut.
Damn.
Alright,
You hit the ball? You hit the ball?
It's too long.
You hit the ball?